bunch of you have been saying that I should just vlog and you're just really willing to watch pretty much any garbage I toss out there. So Halloween's coming up. My mom always throws these really big parties. Not that big. It's like a table, some candy, drinks, food, and we just chill out and hand out candy. I have these costumes that I made myself. Most of them I made myself, I think. I don't know. I haven't opened them in a while. Like the bins that they are in are over here. Everything's still in boxes because my house is being renovated poorly. It is hard to vlog, let me tell you. This is no easy task because do you see the size of my camera? Like I can't imagine going in public like this. And it's heavy. And this arm has suffered some damage. I guess I should start by taking stuff off. Oh, no. These are all, oh no, oh my god. I knew I shouldn't have put them there. These are all like my really expensive video games. And one of them, like this one, I think it's worth like $500. I actually haven't checked the values recently. Okay, so good. Everything made it. Looks fine. I know I should probably store valuable things better than this. Okay, so that's this fabric and a hat. This might not actually be, oh, the hat's cool though. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, so the first bin, that was mostly just fabric, and then that hat. Second bin, this one appears to be filled with all my costumes, so let's begin. So this I did not make, but I didn't really have a top to wear with it, so I made one. It is on this channel. I have made this while filming. No sewing, no measuring, no plans, just like hammering away, and it doesn't, I'm just gonna try it on because this just looks like a rag. Wow, this room's trashed. This one's a little bit more intricate and it did require sewing, some planning. Not too much measuring, like a little bit. But the belt I actually hand beaded myself many years ago. The belt came first and then came the dress. I don't remember, but I think I got the idea from the sleeves from, what was that show called? Once Upon a Time. I saw sleeves like this. The show, not like Once Upon a Time. And also Once Upon a Time, I saw something like this and had to have it. The belt alone took me like 30 freaking hours to make. I do not recommend ever making one of these, but check that out. Yeah, every single little freaking bead, sequin, it was manually sewn on there, one by one. And it's falling apart over here. Let's see, it needs some repair. This is very old. It's over a decade old. This was upholstery fabric, but it's kind of soft upholstery fabric. I got this fabric at Joann Fabrics. I got everything there, even this little, whatever you call that. I really don't like their fabrics. They're kind of cheapo. They're not very nice. So to make the belt match the dress more, I did add this trim later. There's just like a string sewn in on the back of this. There's just a string. And every so often, it's sewn down. So not all of it's sewn down, there's some gappage. See what I mean? So then I just corset lace more of this stuff through it, and it holds everything together. I don't need any zippers or buttons or anything like that. It's very old world. I do enjoy wearing the crap out of it in Florida, especially for like Renaissance Festival. It's the best time to wear leather, metal, upholstery. And just go out there in 100-degree temperature. Yeah. The event is mostly for very sane people like myself. I make these things like really durable, so they're able to withstand me. On the inside, my stitching job it's beautiful. I mean, check this out. Look how pretty. Yep, the whole inside of this dress looks like this. And this is high fashion. This is exactly how you want your garments to look underneath, like this. Beautiful. I just do like little arm circles and that helps me get this on. So how did it, uh-oh. Did I gain weight? That's okay. Oh, apparently I wasn't putting it over my head. I was just stepping into it. That would have made it easier. So then there's a sad little string here. See, it's got that thing again, the string. And it's just like sewn here, 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 and so on both sides. So I'm just gonna take my string, lace it through. I believe this dress came first, and then the one you just saw, the yellow one with the belt. But yeah, I stitched this together wrong, and you can see all of the stuff that's normally on the inside, because as you know, I'm very good at, oh, this is actually kind of finished. It's not bad. It's not bad for my work. I attached this totally the wrong way, so now everything is showing, and it looks kind of meh in the front right here. Luckily, I did make another beaded belt years ago, but this one's not as intricate. This one was a little bit less effort. Still effort. All of these little beads and sequins are all put on one by freaking one. And I'm so glad I made this, because since I made this wrong, this is gonna cover it. It also provides like a nice little waist slimming effect. Years ago, before I made this dress, I was like, one day I will make something else to match this. Here it is. And this has, oh, you can't even see, it's got this like high-low effect going on. Yeah, I know I use the wrong lens most of the time, but I got one, so here it is. The sneakers really do add to the look. I'm so happy with the way that they turned out. This one you can't really turn in. It almost looks like I ran out of fabric. Maybe I did. Oh, well, let's find another location to film it. Let's go frolic in the yard. Why are people asking me to vlog? I can barely make a video with this, I can't even talk, see what I mean? Not a fan. I'm really regretting that I didn't make this all one length. Because I do like the back, not the front. Yeah, I got some mega parasitic weeds trying to kill my tree over here. Hi, welcome to gaining weight. So I did end up loosening my corset quite a bit. And no, I did not make the corset. But I made the top. I made this. I made the bra, sort of, you'll see. And I made the skirt. The inspiration for this outfit was actually, what was it called? Legend of the Seeker? It was a show that was on for like 2 seasons. The books were way better. But like, there was this costume I really enjoyed. Kaylin, what was her name? Oh, the main character, she had this really awesome costume with like stuff like this going on, and I had to have it. So I made it. Don't breathe. I don't recommend corsets. I really should have done this in a different order. So then I put the jacket thing over the corset. Normally I do stick the corset on first. That just didn't work out this time. My order of operations is all messed up. And then I'm gonna buckle this pewter buckle that I got on eBay. like so. Now the thing about corsets, not only can you not breathe, but guys find this very attractive. The fact that you can't breathe really turns them on. So what I recommend doing, I used to take this string and for added decoration and discomfort, stick it into the corset. I used to be obsessed with corsets. I have a whole collection of these evil things. This corset gives you the added benefit of making your life slightly more miserable than it already is. Once I'm at this level, I kind of decide whether I should just keep going the way I'm going, or if I want to squeeze it even tighter. Because, you know, who needs oxygen anyways? It kind of separates your organs into two different parts. My favorite part about this whole costume, because it rains. It rains a lot in Florida. A hood. What better way to complete your freaking 100-degree plus day than with a hood? So this is actually my most favoritist outfit out of all of them. Love this outfit. It looks great. It doesn't feel so good, but it looks amazing. And that's really all that matters. I need to stop with the spitting. It's not working out. So how am I doing at this vlogging thing? Is this alright? Do you like this? Please subscribe. Come join me in my magical realm of leaves and shrubs and stuff. I'm just kind of blending in with my surroundings at this point, except for the red hair. Trying to get out of this jacket is no laughing matter. It's like stuck to me. I'm soaking wet from the sweat. I'm just gonna have to peel this off. I've been down this road before, so I know I can get it off. Yep, just peel. Peel. This outfit peels off like a skin. Like a snake skin, there we go. The bra is actually Victoria's Secret. I should get out of it so I can show it to you. I just applied fabric over it and then I bought these things off of eBay. Here's another piece of leather and I just sewed everything on there. Does it go all the way around? I think so. Yeah, I made another one of these to go with another outfit, which I'm gonna regrettably cram myself into in just a moment. But I wanted to show you this bra up close and how sloppy it is on the back. So you can see the old bra here. There it is. It almost looks the same. This is real leather. This is not real leather. It's almost identical. Look at that. Vegan leather, real leather. Vegan leather, real leather. So this corset actually goes with two different outfits. The green one and the brown one. Yeah. I really enjoyed the jacket on this, especially with how convenient it is to take it off and on. On is not easy either. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. So I made a brown one. It's a little bit different, the skirt's different. I could put more strings here, but I can't be bothered with that right now. It's way too much work. So this is actually two pieces. There's like this part that goes over the skirt, and then there's just this plain skirt. But it's kind of cool because it's got these little decorative metal pieces on the hem. Kind of weighs it down, which I like. It's fun. Fun. Fun thing, you know? So this is just a wrap that goes around a plain skirt pretty much. Last one. Well, there's more, but I can't find them all. This is the last one I could find. So if you're wondering where Grandma's couch went, it's right here. The theme here is corset lacing. Because I didn't know how to, I still probably don't know how to install a zipper. I should learn. It'd be much easier. But it wouldn't be as accurate to the Renaissance Festival times. Not like any of my outfits are really that accurate. Yeah, I think this dress pretty much requires another person to help me put it on, but I'm gonna try to get this thing on. So this one I like to call Sansa Stark. Uh-oh, this might have been made many pounds ago. It's like I'm being born again. Okay, well there it is. Okay. It makes me feel like such a lady. Okay. I'm so happy that I decided to try on costumes for you guys. Oh my goodness. These are some crazy ass sleeves. Look at these sleeves. Holy moly. Sleeves for life. Okay. We're almost done here. I'm just gonna try to put this dress on. I have it all laced up in the back. And it's not even moving, it's so sticky. Oh, I'm just covered in sweat. It's super easy to get into. That's how I designed it. Actually, this is not my design. I think I used a pattern for this one. This is the only one ever that I've used a pattern for, sort of. I don't really know how to use a pattern. I just basically like cut out some pieces and then attempted to sew them together. Simple, easy to put on dress. I don't think theirs had like corset lacing in the back. It might have had something else, but who needs practical? Okay, so stop spinning. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell as well, and I'll talk to you guys next time, whenever that is. Bye! I'm not gonna do the do. I'm not gonna do the do. I've done the do before, the Sansa do. I'm not doing that do again. That's a lot of work, but I can show you pictures of it. There they are. So yeah. That's it. That's it. It's all. There's more. I don't know where it all is. Some parts are missing. I'll find it all one day, and maybe even make more, because I'm due for making more. I gotta make more of something and then regret wearing it. Natural fabrics. Natural fabrics. Natural. Breathable. Don't wear the couch.